Hey everybody, I've been busy filming for Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone social media. So 3 brand new episodes from Nebraska Deer Camp cooking this year. Check them out right now over on Blackstone social media. A couple weeks ago we put up a little vlog here, just some fun extra scenes from Nebraska. But for this week I found some extra footage of yet another dinner that we cooked in Nebraska. Welcome back everybody. So second day of hunting, started to see deer. Saw a lot of deer, nothing that I could harvest. And Kevin came to visit us tonight. Look what he brought. He brought a bunch of ground elk meat from his Wyoming 5x5 bull elk that he got about 2-3 weeks ago. Wapiti! And we have extra virgin olive oil down on the Blackstone 28-inch adventure ready griddle. Oh, let's go down with that ground elk. We have Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning per Kevin's request. We'll season this as we go. Oh baby, that elk meat's looking good. Ground elk is looking good, so we're gonna put it in this big old cast iron skillet. Did this on a video a couple weeks ago. I love it. It's my newest favorite way to make tacos. So you got a couple pounds of elk meat in there, and then grab your favorite enchilada sauce. In this case, green chili enchilada sauce. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is gonna be a difference maker. So we've got the ground elk with the tequila lime seasoning, and of course green chili enchilada sauce going in on top. Time to do the tortilla, so we're going to turn the heat down, a little bit of oil here, and just going down with these flour tortillas, just a little bit, you know, maybe 10 seconds, maybe 30-40 seconds on each side. Just get a little bit of a toast. You want these to be pliable. We're not making a tortilla chip here, Pete. That tortilla is starting to puff up a little bit. There we go. That's what you want. Just a little bit of color. We'll turn it over, and we'll do a few seconds on both sides here. If I was prepared, I'd have my tortilla warmer with me, but I don't think I brought mine, so we'll just put these aside for now. We'll stack them up, set them over there. Looks like our elk meat is done here. Bring this over here to the table. Oh yeah. Wow. Alrighty, so we're over here at our prep table. Let's grab a few of these right here. Okay, let's go in with our, right there. That's our ground elk with that green chili enchilada sauce, tequila lime seasoning. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want, but this will melt right in there. So a little bit of cheese, and of course we're gonna go in with some, I like to saute the onions, but sometimes you just need the bite of a raw onion. And then we're gonna go down with a little bit of tomato. You gotta have, if you don't have fresh cilantro, you got issues, right, Kevin?
Amen to that.
Man. And I guess a little bit of lettuce on top, but you don't need to go crazy. Then we'll go ahead with some crema, Mexican sour cream. Do you use a lot of that, Paul?
I've never seen that before.
Paul, say crema.
Here
we go. A little bit of crema on top. A little bit of that right there. Got some Cholula, you know me, my favorite chili garlic, but when all you can get is a regular, we go regular. Paul, get over here. You're gonna eat one with me on camera. Oh, baby. You hungry, Paul?
Oh, I'm starving.
Oh, wait a minute. Toast them. Let's give it a try. Oh, we have ground elk John. We got Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning, green chili sauce. Okay, then over here, we got a little bit of shredded cheese. And then we've got some onions. I'm going raw because I want that crunch tonight. Going down with some tomatoes. Of course, fresh cilantro. You gotta have fresh cilantro. Maybe just a teeny bit of lettuce. Some of that crema on top, Mexican sour cream. Oh my goodness. A kiss of the tequila lime. And of course, a little bit of that Cholula.
Oh, yeah.
Order up! This is Kevin here that provided the elk meat. So from our deer camp here in Pine Ridge, Nebraska. This is Kevin and Todd. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the
elk tacos.
I saw red when I opened up the door. And I don't think I'm gonna love you anymore. All the girls I've loved before. Yellow butt. Her name is Rio and she dances. Breaking the chains that bind you.